This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Zap Dash. The Zap Dash is a highly effective, advanced mechanic in Rocket League that allows you to gain incredible speed without using any boost. It's a combination of several movements, including a speed flip, a perfectly timed jump, and a wave dash. This technique is crucial for maintaining momentum, making quick recoveries, and surprising opponents. Learning to execute it consistently will significantly elevate your gameplay and give you a competitive edge in many in-game situations. To begin your Zap Dash, you must first execute a clean speed flip. The key here is to ensure your car's nose is pointing downwards as you approach the ground. Aim to land predominantly on your front two wheels or at a slight diagonal angle. This specific nose-down orientation is absolutely crucial as it creates the necessary compression for the next step. Practice your speed flips until this landing becomes second nature, as it forms the foundation of a successful Zap Dash. The most critical part of the Zap Dash is the timing of your jump. As your front two wheels make contact with the ground, press the jump button. This precise input should cause your car's front end to pop up, while the back wheels remain firmly on the surface. Immediately following this, push your left analog stick forward and press jump a second time to execute a wave dash. This sequence must be incredibly quick, within a fraction of a second, to generate the forward momentum. Achieving consistency with the Zap Dash requires dedicated practice. Head into free play and consider using slow motion settings to truly grasp the timing window. While often combined with a speed flip, remember you can execute a Zap Dash from almost any landing. Integrate this mechanic into your gameplay for rapid recoveries, efficient rotations, and gaining speed when boost is scarce. With persistent effort, you'll master this powerful technique and elevate your Rocket League performance to new heights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.